Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here, and so a few weeks ago we did get our hands on the Fitbit Versa Lite, and of course this is Fitbit's budget line of smartwatches. So in an earlier video we did a quick hands-on and unboxing, and so today we have the follow-up review of the Fitbit Versa Lite. So I've used the watch for a few weeks now, and I just want to give my thoughts on the device. Is the Fitbit Versa Lite worth owning? Let's take a look. So before we get started, I just want to say that we are currently on the road to 1,000 subs. So if you found this channel helpful or useful, then your support for this channel will go a long way towards our goal. Alright, so first off, let's take a look at the design and build of the Versa Lite. So it's got a minimalist design compared to most smartwatches out there, such as the ones from Samsung and Garmin, for example. And you just get the simple rounded square shape, which kind of looks a bit like the Apple Watch. So you do get the screen up front, which is coated with a layer of Gorilla Glass. And it's a pretty bright display actually. There are 3 levels of brightness, and I've never really had any trouble viewing the display outdoors. Now the screen is surrounded by an aluminum chassis, which makes up the main body of the Versa Lite. It feels pretty sturdy in the hand, and I think that it should be safe from light knocks and bumps, although I wouldn't go dropping it on purpose yet. The straps are made from silicone, although they do seem durable, and I feel that they will last me in the long run. Of course, this entire build is waterproof, and you should be able to take the watch along when swimming. Fitbit does provide a secondary strap in the box, which is longer, so if you're a lot more comfortable with a longer strap, then this will definitely come in handy. Of course, you do need to install the Fitbit app on your smartphone first to set up the watch. In fact, when I was recording video for this review, I actually got a firmware update for the watch, which added a couple of useful features. You do need to connect your phone and watch by turning on the Bluetooth and GPS connectivity. So let's take a look at the app first. The Fitbit app supports a wide range of Fitbit devices, and of course it shows you how to use the Versa Lite. There is a built-in manual within the app that walks you through the different hardware and software features that come with the watch, as well as the app itself. You can also install apps on the Versa Lite, and you'll see different categorizations of apps through the main Fitbit app. You can install them by downloading them through your smartphone and then by syncing it with the watch. Aside from apps, there's also a wide selection of clock designs that you can download from the Fitbit app. A lot of the designs are free, although there are some paid ones. The Versa Lite can store up to 5 different designs, and you can switch them from the watch menu. Now, using the Fitbit Versa Lite is straightforward and easy. All the operation is done by the touchscreen, and navigating the UI is pretty easy, as you just swipe across the screen to get to the different menus and press the side button to go back one page, or long press the button to access your assigned button shortcut. I do have to note that sometimes the UI can appear a bit slow and laggy, and I would have preferred smoother animations when navigating the watch menu. From the main screen, you can access your apps, alarms, as well as a list of workouts. Since I stick mostly to live workouts, I use mine a lot more for step counts, heart rate tracking, and sleep tracking. Honestly, the heart rate monitor feature is very helpful in my case. A couple of weeks ago, we actually noticed some irregularities with my heart rate, and I did have some trouble breathing, so we were able to call emergency services, who then took me to the hospital, and it turned out that something far more concerning was happening with me, which we were able to catch quickly. So aside from tracking your heart rate, the Fitbit Versa Lite also features a pedometer and sleep tracking functionality. Now in general, the pedometer is pretty accurate. I've used it for walking around and jogging, and while it does work well for the most part, sometimes it can register steps which I haven't really taken, such as when I'm just sitting around, typing, or playing games on my computer. It does come with some reminders to walk every now and then, and it gives you a cool animation when you reach a goal, such as remaining active for a certain amount of time. As for sleep tracking, the Versa Lite does come with some impressive sleep data analysis. It gives you information such as sleep cycles, the total amount of time you were sleeping, REM, and light sleep, which I find pretty helpful. Unfortunately though, the Versa Lite doesn't come with Wi-Fi connectivity or onboard music storage, but it can still let you view notifications and control music playback as long as you keep it connected to your smartphone. As for battery life, the Versa Lite was able to last me on average about 5 days, which is pretty impressive. Additionally, it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge the watch. So, is the Fitbit Versa Lite worth your cash? Well, if you're after a well-designed, affordable smartwatch from a well-established brand, then you can't go wrong with this one. Of course, it comes with some limitations, and you can always save up a bit more to get the Fitbit Versa 2 if you want more functionality. But for people sticking to a budget and who are after the basics, then the Versa Lite is worth considering. As always, I do appreciate you guys for stopping by, and once again, thanks for watching.